back to my channel. So I will be showing you guys how I did the style for my clients. It's like the boho messy bob or shirt locks, and I'll be using color 1B. I used about 6 packs of hair for this style, and my locks count was, I believe, 44, as you can see me counting for you guys. Well, in this video, I did zoom for the first one. I tried zooming because people have asked me, can you zoom, can you zoom, can you zoom? So I try zooming every now and then to show you guys how I do my takeout method. And this takeout method works for both the distress locks, the butterfly locks, and so on. I'm sorry I did not show you guys how I prep my hair, but I do have other videos in my description that shows you guys how I, prep my hair. So now I'm using my crochet hook, and one side is usually longer than the other one. So I use the left one. That is how I measure my length. And then the right one is what I use to wrap, as you can see. So the left one is used to measure my length, and then the right one is what I use to wrap with. So now I am wrapping, and I'm going to be using the thumb method. I do have a video that I use other methods, but the thumb ones is the one that's working for me so far. So I don't know if you saw what I just did, but I wrap before, and then before I go back to the right, I put my thumb under, as you can see, and then I just go and wrap before that, and then release the thumb, and then wrap after that, just so it could be secured. If you have to watch that, just keep watching that, and you will see exactly what I did. Yeah, so I tried my best to show you guys, to be detailed as possible, because, people have asked me, they just could not see when I rap, and I rap really fast. And I don't even fast forward my videos. I just use the natural, the natural pace. But they said it was, too fast. So hopefully what I just did right now can show you guys. And this is me showing you guys how I attach a new hair to get the length that you want. If you want butt length and waist length and whatever length that you want, that is how you keep attaching it until you get your desired length. So you're going to know when the one on the left side is, it's getting low, or the ones on the right side is getting low, because at some point you have to keep wrapping, right? And you have to be wrapping onto something. So when one of them is getting low, that is when you attach, and then you just continue wrapping from there. Well, I'm trying to see if I left any other information. And yeah, I do have the hair in my description. Now I have many colors. I have 613, I have color 30, color 27, ombre, burgundy. I do have burgundy, and now I have ombre gray. And I also have all the braiding hair that I use for my styles. And do make sure to follow my Instagram at Queens Lounge Queens with 2S _lounge on Instagram. And you can send me your questions if you want to be more detailed. You can send me your questions. And people have also asked me, they make complaints of how their locks to unravel, but then I asked them, what hair do you use? If you use water wave hair is silky, so the chances of your hair unraveling is very high compared to the sprinklers hair. I've been doing this style, and I haven't had any complaint at all. Let's say I've had about 50 clients, right, that get this style. I've only had one client complain about 2 of her locks trying to unravel, but she didn't really come back for a touch up or for a fix up, and she's really close to me as well. But that's because the unraveling, it wasn't terrible. Basically, you can definitely cope with it, if that happens, because I'm guessing that's why she didn't really come back to, get it fixed up. But she was the only one. But that was 3 months ago or 4 months ago, when I was just starting to do this style. No, that was all the way in April. Yeah, all the way in April. I don't know how long that was, but yeah, it was all the way in April. And that was when I started this style. So that, I was even learning. I was still learning this style. I was trying to get better and better and better. But ever since then, no complaint at all. So when you use the sprinklers hair, you are good to go. You are safe to go. But when you use other hair, I really don't even have much to say, because I haven't even used any other hair. And I would not recommend any other hair, because I don't know, I need something that has some type of kink and mess to it. And sprinklers hair is the hair to go for this style. No matter what length I'm going to, I always use Pictosa, and plus it's very very lightweight. And also I did not dip this ones. You can dip them, but I feel like if you dip them, it's just like going in the shower. It's going to be very heavy, and then you need some time for for the water to leave your hair before your hair can go back to feeling light. That is the reason why I do not dip this one, because I don't want you to be out here, moving your head, that kind of stuff. So I just use the hot towel steam that I always talk about in all my videos. I just, boil the hot water, put a dry towel in the hot water, and use the hot wet towel on my client hair. And I just use it to cover it and, just go through my client's hair. And I did show you guys how I do that process of using it on my client's hair. I did not show you me boiling the hot water because it's just boiling the hot water literally, but I did show you the hot towel and how I use it on my client's hair. And anyways, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video.